Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in this lovely Urano grey paintwork with black styling pack and offers a range of exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the rear tinted windows for passenger privacy and the 20-inch York alloy wheels. To the front you'll find the powerful LED headlights that keep the roads well lit. Coming into the boot, and you'll find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the optionally fitted Towbar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this lovely cloth and leather trim seating, which features a folding central armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find your air conditioning panel and USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you'll find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage. The heated multi-function steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your digital displays. Behind the steering wheel you'll find your automatic gear stick. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist settings. There are a range of drive modes available for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display and ambient lighting. You can access your seats massage function. And you can customise your speakers equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. This Tiguan also comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.